Hello guys, this is Atharva Baheti from xcard.com. Today we have come up with a new template for maintaining the details about your fixed assets, which is known as the Fixed Assets Register or FAR. So let me just explain how this template works. First of all, this template contains three sheets, namely instructions, FAR and schedule. The instruction sheet contains the basic details about how does this template work. You can just go through them once in order to understand the working of the template. The FAR sheet contains the details of all the assets that are held by the company. For example, as you can see that we have entered multiple assets in this sheet. Let's take the first row for example. In the column A, you need to allocate an block to which the asset belongs. For example, car. In the next column, enter the location where the asset is present. If there is no location details available, you can simply put NA here. In the next column, enter the details of date of asset purchased. For example, 2nd Feb 2017. In the next column, enter the description of asset. In the next column, select yes if the asset has been disposed during the year. In the next column, enter the details about the opening gross value of the asset. In the next column, enter the details about opening accumulated depreciation of that asset. The next column will auto-calculate the opening WDV of that asset. In the next column, enter the details of amount of asset that is acquired during the current year. In the next column, enter the details of amount of asset disposed during the current year. In the next column, enter the details about life of assets as it is estimated by you in years. In the next column, enter the salvage value as estimated by you. You can simply put 0 here if there is no salvage value. In the next column, the net depreciable value will be auto-calculated. In the next column, the total life will be calculated in days terms. In the next column, the life will be calculated which is remaining during the date as mentioned in this cell. You can simply put a particular date here for which you want the depreciation to be calculated. The next column will calculate the total depreciation on the date mentioned in the previous column. And lastly, the last column will calculate the depreciation which should have been charged for the current year. After entering the details, you can follow this process for all the assets that you own. After you have entered all the details in FAR sheet, you can move to the schedule sheet. As you can see, all the details in schedule sheet are auto-calculated. You can simply use this for summary purposes, or you can even use this in the financials that are prepared by you. So, I hope you like this template. Kindly hit the like and subscribe button. In case of any queries, you can reach out to us at our website. You can visit our website by simply clicking the logo in the instruction sheet. It will redirect you to our site. Thank you for watching this video. This is Atharva Baheti signing off.